Bitcoin is taking off and going to leave you behind to die because... Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm in the Pipe 5x5 here in Dubai. It's Monday, October 22nd. And woof, it is a great day. I woke up with Bitcoin at 69,000. Ooh, wow. Backed off a little bit, but yeah, I also was surprised to see where Solana's is. And we're going to be talking about that and showing you more about what's going on with Solana. So make sure you watch all the way to the end because it's going to be a great episode. And I hope you guys don't mind the new format and stuff like that. There's things that are going to be changing and stuff like that over the next week as I'm in a new location and a new area. And yeah, you know what? As you can see here, we got the DaVinci J15 back here, but it's covered. I should have probably put it to the side or something, but we're gonna fix all that and much more. All right. With that said, if you're interested in trading, you could go over to bybit.davincej15.com. That's bybit.davincej15.com, where you can actually trade on a nice, beautiful exchange. And if you go to rns.davincej15.com, you need some ID, man, for these exchanges, because your Gestapo-like country may not allow you to buy crypto. And you might need to get some ID somewhere else. And since passports are like 100K and you might not have that lying around, this is an alternative. All right. So with that said, all right, you can Orc. We're going to be rebranding Orc soon, right? It's gotta be redone completely. Got to get this thing up to snuff because it's not good, right? We got to rebuild Orc so that it's strong. Like an orc. Waffles, beautiful Waffles. She's getting old, man. We need to Waffles wants to see $1 billion market cap before she dies. Right? My little cat. So help out. Pick up some Waffles today. Pepe, you have been warned, right? When Pepe starts to run and you're not here, right? Your fault. That's your fault. Okay? All right. Because I told you so, and I don't want to do it again. Okay, this is the news for today, right? And some of the news we're going to be going over for today, not all of it, but let's start with the banana zone. We are turning around in the rocket ship ride, and we'll show you some charts to show you that, but there's lots of, I'm sure you've seen it. Everybody's technical analysis. It's here. It's now. You're not on this train? I don't know what's your problem, and you're going to miss out. Okay, MEMECOIN CRAZE fuels Solana's price rally. Is a 180 Sol the next stop? Well, you know what? Sol jumped to 170. That's what I woke up to this morning. Early this morning, I was like, what the heck, right? And I was only mentioning Bitcoin. But anyways, yeah, Solana has come back for the attack. And so that's why I'm telling people to the meme coins are not going away. And this is, if you want a meme coin play without actually joining the meme coin play, Solana's it. There you go. 556 million in spot Bitcoin ETF inflows signals a major shift in investor sentiment. Psych. Yes. People are buying the ETF like crazy, and it's Bitcoin is about to pump heavy, right? The spot exchange traded fund ETF in the United States witnessed their most significant single day inflows in over 120 days on October 14th, with more than $500 million pouring into the funds. Bitcoin at 69.06 price topped what? Donna, hold on. We're at 69. It's its highest more than 3 months. The ETF president, Nate Gergi, describes the event as a landmark for spot Bitcoin ETF, noting that they were approaching 20 billion in net inflows over the previous 10 months. Jesus. Dude. You ain't buying yet? Dude. Oh man, three signals Bitcoin's parabolic phase with a 250K target is about to begin. Yeah. And I bet you there's a lot of people watching this right now that's like, yeah, but this time could be different. This time I'm not buying because this time it could be different. I waited for it to come back. I waited for it to come back to 49,000, right? Can I get some of that 49,000 Bitcoin, please? Oh my gosh. Bitcoin price will hit 100K in 2025, maybe even in 2024, right? Right? You can see we are at the cusp of a breakout here on this chart. And yeah, the downtrend is over. Consolidation and accumulations are almost done. Yeah, ooh, it is done, dude. It is over. Bitcoin whale data shows pre-COVID rally behavior. See, I mean, it is time, right? Stablecoin dominance is declining. Yes, stablecoins, right, declining whilst Bitcoin rising. So a lot of evidence that this is the big one. This is the big one. All right, Bitcoin dominance overshadows several important crypto trends. Okay. Bitcoin continues to march toward all-time highs that were only reached earlier in 2024. But let's just go on to what the dominance. Stablecoins continue to make inroads. Yes. With the rise of the Bitcoin price, a steady inflows spot Bitcoin ETF, the fact that legislation has been put forward advocating for a strategic Bitcoin reserves, it would be relatively straightforward for the investors and policymakers to relegate stablecoins to the back burner. No. No. What? No. How would that happen? People will still be using stablecoins, right? Because more people believe in the dollar than believes in Bitcoin. Doing so, however, would be ignoring a slice of the crypto assets sector that continues to not only grow in the market capitalization, but also would ignore the potential on-ramp for millions of new crypto users. Oh, come on. ETF taxes will cause headaches. Yes, that's true. Oh man, governments cause headaches all the time. It's normal. Right? Centralization of Bitcoin might hurt the long term. Oh my God. Okay, let's see how he defines centralization of Bitcoin. One of the most under discussed trends of the recent crypto bull market has been how centralization of crypto and the Bitcoin specifically has continued unabated and now has accelerated in many cases, even as the announcement and launch of Bitcoin related or even Bitcoin adjacent products and services propel the price per token higher levels. The reality is Bitcoin supply, the supply of Bitcoin sentiment, and the crypto market overall continue to become centralized. Not sure how he means by that. If he means the ETF is a centralized point, yes. But supply, I guess, would be considered the supply ETFs? I don't know. Not pretty clear. But all right, whatever. But Bitcoin is not being centralized unless, you centralize it with a bank, right? Before we do, remember to sign up to bybit.davincij15.com. Links in the description below. Oh man, we are not getting any kind of return back for our entry point here at all. And if we look here at the heat maps, maybe we could probably see up to the 70K and then maybe come back down to test the 666. I don't know. Let's see. 666. How evil? Looks like it wants to take them out, right? Because look, there's a lot of people at 666, right? That are like, yeah, I'm safe with my stop loss there. Yeah. So we might want to move our entries levels somewhere in that level, in that zone soon. But if you look higher, oof, there's a lot of juicy liquidity up here. So, and we're closer to that liquidity than we are from. But looking at Ethereum, it's just air up here. And so a return back might be in the cards with Ethereum. Looking at the charts, I don't see that. I think it's run out of gas here, Ethereum. Let's see if it continues going higher, but it looks like it's run out of gas, and there's no real reason to go higher, because here we go. I think we've actually almost hit our target, which I think if we were to drag this down a little bit, I don't know where the candle body, this candle body is. Maybe it is already at the target. So yeah, I really think that Ethereum could be backing off a little bit here before we actually go higher. So, but it's not a whole lot. We might come back right to the $2,600 level. But remember, this was my target for Ethereum for quite a while. We were talking about it, and I said 27. And so you should be taking profits here. So that's just the way it is. Let's go over to Solana. Oof, wow. Solana, 71. It's 171, sorry. Damn, G. Wow. Did you ever do something crazy? And let's see here. We have like a cup and handle pattern here. So let's just analyze that. And a nice W in here. And overall cup and handle right there. Let me just draw that out for you. So there's the cup. There's the handle, right? And you can see that we have taken off, right, out of the breakout right here. Boom. So we are headed to this target of $187 for Solana. So look out for that. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to be making some changes to the show. And right now I'm using Ecamm Live, and I don't know, a lot of things are not right. I was barely able to actually start the show. I was ready to give up because I'm like, okay, how do I start streaming? And I couldn't even figure out how to do that. So, but I managed to get the show going. So anyways, thank you for watching. I'm going to be doing a live show at Mr. M's podcast, right? So if you're watching this, guys, because you're on the private group, you can subscribe to Mr. M's podcast and watch a live show that's going to be broadcast somewhere around 9:30. So look out for that as well. Cheers. Peace.